To construct a frequency polygon for this distribution in Excel, we'll start by adding an extra class before the first interval and another after the last. This helps the polygon start and end at the horizontal axis. Let's begin by right-clicking on row 2 and selecting Insert to add a new row. Since the class width is 10, the class before the first will be 0 to under 10, and we'll assign it a frequency of 0. Similarly, the class after the last will be 60 to under 70, also with a frequency of 0. Next, I'll right-click on column B and click Insert to place the midpoints to the left of the frequencies so the midpoints can be on the horizontal axis in the chart. To calculate the midpoint of the first class, we take lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2, which gives 5 in this case. For the next midpoint, simply add the class width 10 to the previous midpoint. Use the fill handle to copy the formula down the column. Let's center align the midpoints. Now select the midpoint and frequency columns with or without the headers. Go to Insert, then under Charts, click Scatter and choose Scatter with straight lines and markers. And there you have it, the frequency polygon. Let's add Polygon to the title. Next, click the plus button beside the chart and check Axis Titles. Label the horizontal axis with your variable name, for example, Mark, and the vertical axis as Frequency. To modify the horizontal axis, right-click on it and choose Format Axis. Suppose we want the midpoint values 5, 10, 25, etc. to appear. In the pane on the right, under Unit, change the major unit to 5. I'll reset it back to 10 for now. To shift the axis labels, adjust the minimum value on the bounds. For example, I'll set it to -5. Let's remove the grid lines for a cleaner look. Right-click on the horizontal axis again and choose Format Axis. This time, let's add tick marks. On the major type, I can select Outside or select Cross. We can do the same for the vertical frequency axis. Right-click on the axis, choose Format Axis, tick marks, and set Major to Cross. Now suppose we have two distributions with the same class intervals and want to plot both frequency polygons on the same graph. Simply copy the frequencies for the second distribution and paste them next to the first. Select the midpoint column along with both frequency columns. Go to Insert, then under Charts, click Scatter and choose Scatter with straight lines and markers. If you prefer smoother curves, you can select Scatter with smooth lines and markers, or just Scatter with smooth lines. And that's it. Both frequency polygons are now displayed on the same graph. Thanks for watching.